Are you a winger who struggles to finish wide-angled shots? Even if you have the power to get the ball in frame from a wide angle, that's only half the battle. Being able to perfectly place that ball is the key to keeping the ball away from the goalkeeper's outstretched arms and converting that shot into a goal for your team. Today, we're taking Abby through a drill designed to eliminate that final defender in the flank and score goals at will with a driven far post strike. Master the coaching points that we give her, and you'll be scoring goals at will for your team too. I'm Stevie Parker, and I competed at the top level of collegiate soccer. Now, as the owner and head trainer at Powerhouse Soccer, it is my mission to help every player out there become the very best version of themselves and take their game to the next level. So let's get after it. There are two main components that are important for a successful shot. The first is power. Without power, nothing else matters. We need to be able to strike the ball hard enough to put it on frame and make it difficult for a goalkeeper to save. This comes down to a few key things. Number one is your follow through. Make sure that you don't stop your swing as soon as your foot makes contact with that ball. Finish that swing all the way through. Second, let's make sure that we're not just using our leg for power, but using our body for momentum, meaning we are getting our entire body through that shot and not stopping that run as soon as we finish the strike. Lastly, something that we do prior to the shot that's gonna help us build that power is taking a proper sized prep touch. Not only does this give us space for a big swing, but it also creates space away from our defender, giving us room to take that shot on goal. If we do this part right, we will be extremely dangerous. The second key component is your shot placement or your shot accuracy. Once you've gotten enough power behind your shot, you have to be able to place it where the goalkeeper can't get it. More likely than not, the keeper is going to be covering the near post if you're working in a wide area, which is why today we're working on a far post strike. A couple of the key things to being able to place that ball properly are number one, keeping it low. This is especially important for this drill in particular because a low shot is going to be a lot harder for a goalkeeper to save across their body if they're covering the near post. The second thing, and probably the most important thing, is getting your hips around the shot. This is what is going to bring it across the frame to the far post. In this situation, the angle of your prep touch is key. You want to make sure you push it outside the frame of your body to give yourself enough space to get your hips around the ball and get that shot across the frame. Lastly, we're going to talk about your follow through again. In this scenario, we need to keep it straight. As soon as you get your hips around the ball, you need to follow through straight rather than across your body, because if you do this, you're going to miss it wide. When you go through this, a couple things that I want you to concentrate on. We need space, like we talked about in our warm-up today, to get around the ball for the cut. So it's a big aggressive dribble. She commits, hard sell. This next touch is super important, wide, because it cuts her off. It also gives me space to get my hips around it, woo, to bring that ball back across and hit the bucket. And start nice and quick. Go, check your shoulder, good. Drive, yes, hard sell, good. Yes, drive, and rest. Okay, so, great job to scan the shoulder. Can you talk to me?
Yeah.
Demand that ball when you drop into that space. I thought your cut was really good that time. You did a great job to protect the ball by kind of staying over top of it, but at the same time, bringing the hip around it to really sell it. The next touch was too small.
Yeah.
So, number one, that small touch doesn't separate her. So even though maybe she overcommits, she can now cut back in and block you, right? Number two, it doesn't give you space for a big swing. So I'm looking for you to do two things in one. You effectively cut her off with the touch. You have space for a big pullback and to drive that ball in. On your swing, keep it low, right? So when you go to hit this ball, you're low and through, like you're cutting the grass. You're not pulling back and lifting like a normal strike. Remember, gonna be a lot harder for the goalkeeper to turn and stay low versus deflect high. That's why I want you to keep it low for me, okay? And start nice and quick. Go, talk to me. Drive, what do you got? Good, good second touch there. Good, eyes. Good, tell me about your swing.
I went up more.
You did, and you are here a little bit, so that's why the ball is gonna lift. So keep eyes down, shoulders down, swing low, cut the grass.
Okay.
Ready? Start. Go.
Ball.
Turn. Good, good talking. Yes. Much better. I like how you moved through that one that time too. Better. I think if anything, we can take our prep touch a little wider. Go. Go, scan. Yes, turn. Good, great touch that time. Good. Ooh, close.
I did do the same thing.
Swing was what?
Up.
Yeah, especially your pullback, right?
Yeah.
But there's still a good chance that that goes in. You hit that really well. Here's what I'm seeing from you on the dribble that I think could be a little bit better. We're taking too many touches. Thought your prep touch was good that time, but then from here to there, it's like 1, 2, 3. And now look at how tight you are again for that chop.
Okay.
Also, if the ball is that close to you, she may not commit the way you want her to. If you can go a little bit bigger, you're gonna get her really overcommitting, and that's when you can effectively get past her and pull that off a little quicker for me. Okay, look, even I did the same thing. My swing's too big.
Yeah.
So just think about keeping it low, right? Cut the grass, ready? Go. Go.
Yeah.
Turn. Good, big, yes. Good, big, yes. Very good, much better, love it. We're gonna go 5 more, okay? Go. Go, scan.
Yeah.
Move with your touch. Yes, that's fine, stay with it. You're good, send it back, let's reset. It's okay, next one. But I did like that you moved with your touch. Just move towards the orange stick, your whole body and the ball. Go, go.
Yeah.
Yeah, move with it. Yes, sell it. Good, drive it. That was perfect. Everything from the prep touch, you eliminated some of the extra dribbles. Your cut was very clean. The second touch was really quick, so there's no way that she's able to react in that amount of time. And then even from the push to the shot, very minimal time was kind of passed. So that's what's gonna continue to be important as you take your game to the next level. I think for some players, their touches might be clean, but then they're here, they take 3 seconds, and then they hit the ball. For you, it's 1, 2, step, and hit. There's no time that's being wasted. Therefore, defenders can't recover, or the goalkeeper either. That's great. We need 4 more good ones like that, okay? Start your footwork. Go.
Yeah.
Move with your touch, move with your touch. Yes, that's a great touch. Good, stay with it. Attack it. Close. You reached a little, did you feel it?
Yeah.
So plant foot is a little bit here, so you're already starting like that. Get around, shoulders down, okay? Go, scan.
Yeah.
Yeah, drive. Good, that's a great touch again. Sell it. Love it. Shoulders down. Good, counts for a point, but let's talk about your final touch there. Can you tell me what direction you took it?
Like straight.
It was exactly straight, you're right. So what's wrong with that?
Then it wouldn't like beat the defender.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't cut her back off.
Yeah.
So she would possibly be able to recover and maybe put some pressure on your shoulder versus you sealing her off. You're right. The other thing is, was it hard for you to get your hips around it for the shot?
Yeah.
So when you take that straight touch, now you're jammed up here. So even though yours went in, it wasn't as powerful. So by taking it out, wider than your body, you can get your hips around and really generate a lot of power with a bigger swing, okay?
Yeah.
So think about that on your last 2 for me, all right? Ready? And begin. Go.
Yeah.
Drive. Good touch. Yes. Yes. Great job not to reach. The touch was a little bit big, but you did a good job to take the extra step. Now can we make it a little bit quicker between the final touch and the release, okay? Final rep. Nice and clean. Think about every element individually. Let's put it all together. Here we go. Go, scan. Yep.
Yeah.
Drive, move your body with the touch. Good. Cut it. Yes, Abby, stay with it. Stay with it. Attack it. Good, good job to stay with it. You wanna give me one more?
Yeah.
You got it. Last one, best one. What are you noticing on your chop now? The touch at the orange stick. Big or small?
Small.
You're getting almost over top of it before you go to do the touch. Do this for me on your last one. Take it wider. If I'm out in this space here, like this, you're gonna stretch her. She's gonna start to commit. You've got even more room now to beat her. If you're right on top of her before you even do the chop, she's probably tackling. Do you agree?
Yeah.
This also makes it maybe look like you're gonna play a pass. Maybe there's a teammate that you're gonna do a 1-2 with. So you could use your eyes, sell the pass, look down, push, okay?
Okay.
Ready? And start. And go. Yep.
Yeah.
Drive. Love it. Great touch. Come on. Yes. Yes. Good. I like it. We're gonna switch sides. Great stuff. Remember all the components that we've been talking about. Move with your prep touch. Stay a little bit to your left of the blue so you have space to get your hips around the chop. Think about the touch that goes through the space. angle it wide, almost like you're working back towards that goal there. Hips around it, deliver it with the laces of the left. Keep your swing low. Cut the grass. Ready? Nice and easy. Go. Yep.
Yep.
Drive. Good. Yes. Good. I like it. One correction and then we're gonna start. I want you to tell me what your body looked like as you hit that ball.
Oh, it was up.
Yeah. Yes, I agree. You're very vertical instead of, can I drive my body through this touch, stay low, right? And then it's just a scan. I'm already down here and I stay through as I hit that ball, okay? Just lower that center of gravity for me all throughout. Are we ready? Number one, go. Go, check your shoulder, talk to me. Yeah, turn. Good, drive. Yes. Good, yep. Stay with it, through it.
Oh.
You're good. Touches were?
Small.
Yes, make them bigger. Create space for yourself, okay? Ready, start. Go. Yep. Drive. Good. Much better. Big. Smooth. Good, that's fantastic. Much better. Literally the only thing you changed was bigger touches. It wasn't even like you went that much faster. That opens up so much more space for you to do everything that you want to do. Number three, go. Yep.
Yeah.
Drive. Yep. Good, get there, get there. Yes, way to stay with it. That's a good hit with the left foot. I love it. All right, be nice and loud. Talk to me, demand this ball. Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Turn, drive. Yes. Chop. Good, sell it, stay low. Close, close. Can you move your body through that a little bit more now? You've been pretty consistent in where you're hitting it, but I think the right foot, we got a lot more power. Use your body more with your left foot. So when you hit this ball, don't just slow down and stop, but eyes down, swipe through, keep your body moving, okay? Abby, one more thing. What shoulder have you been checking here, do you know?
Right.
What one do I want you to
'cause
check?
that one's like
Why,
open.
where are you going?
That way.
Yes, you wanna know what's in the space that you're going into, right? Here we go. Go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Drive. Good. Pace. Love it. Love it. Through it. Good. Good. Again. Here we go. Go.
Yeah.
Drive. Yep. Good talking. Great touch. Yep. Yep. Pull it back. Yes. Very good. Love how we improvised over there. Great footwork. That's what we would need to do in a game. Great decision. Good speed of decision making from you too. More power on the finish for me, okay? Here we go. Go. Yep. Good. I love it. Drive. Sell it. Yep. Not bad. Okay, so for your last couple, I need to see a bigger chop still. That's the one thing that I think throughout this drill has been a little too small. Really, really work to sell that for me. So again, when you're receiving this and you're driving in, stay wider. Stay wider. Give yourself room to really wrap this foot. Pull it back like it's gonna be a fake around the ball. Shift, stay low. Oh no. Drive through that much better than I just did. But do you see what I'm saying about how staying a bit wider gives me room to pull my leg back and then go into the chop? That's what I want from you, okay? Ready? Here we go. Go. Yep.
Yep.
Drive. Good. Stay wide, get around it. Good try, good try. Keep that toe down a little bit more. Still small, do you see it?
Yeah.
It might be your steps at the end too, Abby. The smaller the step, the less space you have to swing your leg back and fake a pass or fake a shot, right? Okay. We get 3 good ones. We're finished with this. Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Drive. Yep. Big swing. Fake. Yes. Smooth. That was really good. I mean, I don't know. Do we even bother to do any more? It really doesn't get better than that. What did you notice on the chop?
It was bigger.
You actually sold it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't this. It wasn't a touch. That time it was a fake. Here, smooth. I mean, literally the ball came right back to you. I don't know if we need to do any more. I feel like that was it. That was really good. All right, guys, it is time to put your striking skills to the test. Get out there and put in the work this week and let us know what you think about our video in the comments below. And if you liked this shooting drill, check back in with us next week to see Abby take it to the next level. Thanks for being here with us today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you back here next week for more soccer content.